Hello everyone. Today I am back with a new video on tutorial to make a new circle logo in 2 minutes. Before starting, please subscribe my channel. Create a circle. And do not fill any color, make the circle blank. Make it none. And adjust the stroke size and color it according to your choice. Go to Effect, Distort and Transform. Transform. Put the value same as mine, to make the same effect. Congratulations! You have made it. Now follow me adding text in fast mode. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe my channel.